I'm going to show you how to make a BLT. First, you're going to take your ice, pour it into your glass. Then you're going to add an ounce of Bacardi Limon. If you don't have Bacardi Limon, it's fine. Just use whatever clear rum that you prefer. So take your jigger. The big part is the ounce. Pour it in like so. The little side is half an ounce. Pour that in. I'm going to add a splash of lemon juice. Just a bit. You don't want it too tart. That should do it. Now you're going to take some iced tea and pour it into your glass. Very refreshing. And I'm not going to shake this one. You can shake it if you like, but I prefer to just kind of pour it in. Just like that. A little bit more of like a refreshing concoction. Set it there. You're going to garnish this one with a lemon, kind of like a Long Island iced tea. And squeeze it in. I prefer to squeeze it. And there's your BLT.